Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE Chapter 3 Pair of Linear Equation and 2 Variable. Example 5. Solve the following question. The question is given that after tells his daughter, they have given the equation in the form of word problem, so that we should write the equation from that sentence. 7 years ago means past, therefore we should use minus in terms of ago terms. The I was 7 times as old as you were. Then also 3 years from now. If the current age is 10, from now 3 years, therefore after 3 years means 13. 10, now 10, after 3 years 13. I shall have 3 times as old as you. Therefore, present the situation algebraically and graphically by the method of substitution. Here we are going to solve using substitution method, so it will be very easy. Okay, the solution begins. Okay, let x be the age of after and y be the age of daughter. Okay, given condition given from this equation, 7 years, note that 7 years ago, therefore x minus 7 is equal to y minus 7. If it is 7 years ago, it will be applied for both. It says that is 7 times, which for daughter. Okay, this is the first equation. Okay, then the second condition, which is from now, therefore from now means plus 3, which is 3 times they are said x plus 3. Okay, these are the two equations they have given. Next, the first equation becomes x minus 7 multiplying 7y minus 49, bringing all the equations to one side. X minus 7y minus 7 minus 49 equal to 0. Here this side becomes plus 47. Therefore, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Okay, this is the another equation. The next equation can be named as 3. Okay, next the second equation becomes, okay, second equation becomes x plus 3 multiplying 3y plus 9. Therefore, x minus 3y minus 9 plus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. This can be the equation 4. This is the general equation, the algebraic representation. Here, next we are going to solve using substitution method. What method? Substitution method. Therefore, we will take this equation, x is equal to 3y plus 6. Okay. Substitute x in 3. Okay. Therefore, 3y plus 6 minus 7y, this is the third equation. We are going to substitute in it. Plus 42 equal to 0. Therefore, we get, while subtracting 4y, this becomes plus 48. Therefore, equal to 0. 4y equal to minus, therefore greater number minus, therefore minus, taking this to another side, therefore 4y equal to, therefore y equal to 48 by 4, which is 12. Okay, therefore we write y equal to 12. Then substitute y in fourth equation. We get x minus 3 into 12 minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 36 plus 6, 42. Okay, 42. Therefore, we got the age of all the two members. Therefore, the age of Aftab and daughter is Aftab age is 42 and daughter age is 12 years old. Okay, thank you.